Let's see some interesting facts. There's a temple in Sri Lanka dedicated to a tooth of the Buddha. The name of the temple is Temple of the Tooth. Did you know Franklin Mars invented the Snickers bar in 1930? According to National Geographic, Mount Everest grows about 4 millimeters a year. The two tectonic plates of Asia and India, which collided millions of years ago to form the Himalayas, continue to press against each other, causing the Himalaya peaks to grow slightly each year. Every 45 seconds a house catches fire in the United States. The ant can lift 50 times its own weight. In 1477, the first diamond engagement ring was given to Mary of Burgundy by Archduke Maximilian of Austria. Ben and Jerry sent the waste from making ice cream to local pig farmers to use as feed. Pigs love the stuff, except for one flavor, mint Oreo. A cat has 4 rows of whiskers. There are more than 50 different types of pumpkins. Some of them have names such as Munchkin, Funny Face, and Spectacular. When someone commits suicide while jumping off a building, so much adrenaline builds up that you have a heart attack and die before hitting the ground, thus making this way of committing suicide basically the easiest.